Good afternoon, friends. A quick and a short video. Festivals coming, and still the heat is quite much, as is the moisture, and the weather is pretty humid. So we can't really imagine to wear anything but cottons and cotton chanderis and cotton based products. So I've just quickly, showing you a very cute batik video. These batiks are done, these are wax batiks, and inspired by the Shantiniketan Alpana. Alpona, what we call it in Bengali, is it's a freehand brush painting. It's a freehand brush painting. Also, there is the more traditional way when we used to give it on the floor is with this third finger and cotton dipped in rice paste, what we always give for any auspicious occasion, any puja at home. So we Bengalis give this alpona, which is with this rice paste and cotton, and it's a freehand painting, it's a freehand sketching actually on the floor. And various all the communities across India, they have their own way of designing and giving alpana, and do the floor designs, do the on the festivals. So it is always a very happy feeling, and so the saris are inspired by that alpana, which Kaviguru Rabindranath Tagore has inspired children in Shantiniketan with this kind of work. And when you go to Shantiniketan, every building, every nooks and corner of that place is full of designs and of these kind of decorations, which the whole place is feels like heaven, art heaven. It looks like art heaven. So anyway, let me start with these saris. They have just come down. Very brief on these saris are that they are Dhania Khali handloom saris with zari check, plain than saris with zari check woven, where these are all beautifully we use these saris for all the craft development, all our handcraft development. So that's sari number one. It's a sari number one. It's a beautiful free hand alpana painting on with the help of wax batik. It's a batik work. So that's the palla. See the palla, it's black and white. See the palla, it's black and white. How beautiful. And after the work, almost the saris have got a silk texture. After the work is done, the saris have got a texture like silk. So that's the palla. When you do the when you do the pleats, see how beautiful. Just plain nice fabric, absolutely amazing. And the whole sari has this kind of get up. So in the inside part is the border, the lower border has this. I have teamed this sari, with a ikat blouse piece. So see, it's an Andhra ikat blouse piece. So, and the sari, see the sari. So when you wear this blouse and the sari, how beautiful it will look. Black and white combination is one of my most favorite, and I find it too hot to handle. So that's the sari. It's a very soft drape, very nice, very soft, absolutely soft as silk. It has a kind of a georgette feel. It's such a beautifully woven cotton. It's a beautifully woven cotton, and can you see this zari checks? So these are the zari checks. It's more prominent on the black side. So that's the zari checks. So that's the whole sari. So that is the combo. And so that's number one, combination number one. Combination number two, absolutely earth color. It's a light earth color. You can say beige color. It's a beige kind of a color. See the alpana. Alpana on the palla. Alpana on the palla. That's the alpana. Light and nice. So the whole body has this kind of motifs. These are all done by the, wax discharge technique. Wax discharge technique. First, the wax are applied on these, these layerings, and then the whole sari is being made, and so the color has been, you know, infused in the fabric. So that's the whole getup. That's the whole getup. It is extremely elegant. The color combination is very, very elegant and subtle. And I've given a Ajrak natural dye Ajrak blouse piece. See, this is a natural dye Ajrak blouse piece with this. So when you wear it, it's always a marriage of two states and marriage of two crafts. So a Shantiniketini Alpana with an Ajrak blouse piece. See, it's very, these are all very humble design sarees and very soft and nice, and what would I say? Very elegant. Some handcrafted jewelry, some hand painted jewelry, some handcrafted jewelry, silver jewelry, and that's it. You are done for the day. So that's saree number 2. Saree number 3 is a quintessential red and white. Saree number 3 is Puja. This is the, it's a Puja saree. It's quintessential red and white combination. See. That's the palla, and that's the sari. See the palla? It's so beautiful. It's just majestic. So, and that's the whole sari. When I'm doing the pleats, you can understand the, the softness and the feel of the fabric. It is like, it is this soft. So because these kind of handcrafts, when these kind of handcrafted stuff are done, the handwork is done on the sari, it gives a very nice, texture. Very nice. It improves the texture, and that's why our traditional handcraft is so important to us. So very important and a treasure to us, because that improves the texture of that fabric so much that the texture, the fabric, the kora fabric, which has been from the loom, when it comes down from the loom, it has gums and it has starch and everything. After this processing is done, everything goes away and the sari or the fabric becomes absolutely perfectly wearable. So that ikat blouse, it's an ikat woven. See, it's a woven blouse, ikat woven blouse with a batik sari. So that's the combination. How it is looking. It's looking fabulous. It's looking fabulous. How it is looking. So these sarees are priced at 2950. The blouse and the sari 2950 plus shipping. They are priced at 2950 plus shipping. The fourth is a blue combination. It is a midnight blue combination. It's a midnight blue combination. So that's the, it is more of the first sari design. It's actually more of the first sari design and little on the bluish tone. It is little on the midnight blue tone. That was black, and this is, see, when this comes, this, in these gaps you can figure out, in the this shading part, this contrast, you can figure out that this is a midnight blue color. This is midnight blue color. So that's the whole body. That's the whole body. You can mildly starch them if you want, or you can just drape it, because I would not starch. I would prefer not to starch it. I would just prefer to wear it as very drapey and a very nice sensual fall. so I don't want to starch it. So I have teamed this sari with this ajrak and natural dye ajrak blouse. So this blouse is like this, so, and the sari. So that's the combination. See, that's the combination, the sari and the blouse. So that's the combination. You wear this blouse with this sari, it will look very, very nice and very different, very, very unique. You know, you always, I say that you are the only one, you know, flaunting this kind of a combination, and I'm glad till now I could hold on to my words, because I've today morning also I got an appreciation from of my designing from one of my patrons, and I felt like, well, I feel blessed. I totally blessed. In the final combination in this series, it's only 5 sarees which I have created. The 5 sarees which I have created. So this is the most colorful one. This is the most colorful one. I'm a little muted person. I prefer muted colors though, but then of course the world is colorful. So this is the, you know, that's the colorful one, where that is the you know, it is kind of a tulip flower. So that's a floral kind of a palla, again done with batik painting. Beautiful colors have come, beautiful. And the body is in rich maroon shade. It's in rich maroon shade, and here you can actually see this zari very nicely, the zari work very nicely. So that's the body, and that's the sari, and so that's the whole drape. That's the whole drape. That's the palla, and I have given another ikat blouse with this. So this ikat blouse actually has a bit of yellow, red and white. So all the colors of the sari has matched with this. So the blouse piece is like this, and your sari would come like this. So see the combination. See the combination. Extremely beautiful, fascinating one. So that's the combination of the sari and blouse. So so we have 5 of these in this section, and these are all priced at 2950 plus shipping. Let me showcase quickly 2 batiks which were earlier I had shown. 2 of these batiks which I have shown earlier. So these are in premium handloom cotton sari. I mean, these are all hand woven cottons and little thick in fabric material. So so that's the painting. It's an elaborate one. These are very intricate and elaborate paintings. So that's a peacock. And it's a water body down, you know, in a sea green color, this kind of a color. It's a green color actually. So it's a Rama green kind of a shade. Very beautiful green. So that's the palla, that's the peacock and the palla. So that's the whole one. And the whole body has this floral guldasta, you know, bunches of flowers, floral guldasta. So that's the whole getup, and that's the whole sari getup. That's the palla, and the blouse piece is like this. The blouse piece is painting on the sleeves, and so the painting is on the sleeves. You can make this as your no, you have to actually make it as a sleeves only. So the painting will come on your sleeves. So that painting will come on your sleeves like this, and the whole sari. So that's the combination of the sari and blouse. Very nice selvage, this kind of, and see all the cracks. You can see the crack batik. That's a very beautiful crack batik sari. And so the whole peacock, see the peacock. Lovely, lovely one. So this sari is priced at 3900, 3900 plus shipping. 3900 plus shipping. So this is one Ma Saraswati painting. See, Durga Puja is coming, the Puja festival. You can actually flaunt this sari on the Shashti day with a beautiful Ma Saraswati batik on your pallu. Beautiful Ma Saraswati batik on the pallu. Yeah, that is the batik. That's the batik. I'll show you from a distance so that you can see the full figure. It's a beautiful figure. It is a beautiful figure. Lovely one. So that is the whole, and that figure comes on your pallu. That Saraswati figure comes on your pallu. The whole body is with this kind of a blue crack. Very smart. You know, it is this combination of things, and the way the thing has been laid out has an effect of Sri Lankan batik, has an effect of Sri Lankan batik. Sri Lankan batik is done in this form. Every country has their own craft and own art form, and all the art forms are always inspired. So the border of the sari is like this, big, this kind of motifs. That's the border. That's the border of the sari. So when I hold it like this, the sari gets this kind of a border. And so this is the border, and that's the figure. And this this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and so that's the whole combo. So the blouse piece has this kind of a motif on your sleeves, and this is the combo. Okay, so this sari is also priced at 3900, 3900 plus shipping. So these are the batiks which I had to showcase you today. Thank you so much. Give me a screenshot, whichever you want to go for. Welcome.